Not getting email notifications on your iPhone? Follow these steps to fix it. Step 1. Check notification settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Notifications. Scroll down and select Mail or Gmail, Outlook if you use another app. Turn on Allow Notifications. Under Alerts, make sure Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners are all enabled. Tap Customize Notifications and turn on alerts for each email account. Choose a sound so you hear notifications. Step 2. Turn off Focus Modes. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Tap the focus icon. Do not disturb sleep work. Make sure no focus mode is on, or notifications will be silenced. Step 3. Fix Email Fetch. Open Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. Again, scroll down and tap Mail. Tap Accounts. Then fetch New Data. Turn Push On for iCloud or Exchange accounts. Under Fetch, select Automatically or Hourly for other accounts. Step 4. Advanced Fixes. If email notifications are still not working, try these fixes. 4.1. Restart your iPhone. Turn your iPhone off and back on. This can instantly fix temporary system glitches. 4.2. Remove and re-add your email account. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down, select Apps. Again, scroll down. Then, tap Mail. Here, tap on Mail Accounts. Select the email account with the issue. Tap Delete Account. Tap again to confirm. Now add it again. Tap Add Account. Sign in with your email details. 4.3. Reset all settings. Last option. Open Settings on your phone. Tap General. Scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, select Reset. Choose Reset all settings. This will not delete your photos, apps, or data. It only resets system settings like Wi-Fi, notifications, and privacy. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.